Should I vaccinate my child? Most common concerns of every parent. Most parents choose to vaccinate their children according to the recommended schedule. But some parents may still have questions about vaccines. You want to do what is best for your children. You know about the importance of car seats, baby gates, and other ways to keep them safe. But did you know that one of the best ways to protect your children is to make sure they have all of their vaccinations? Let's see 5 important reasons to vaccinate your child. 1. Immunizations can save your child's life. 2. Vaccination is very safe and effective. 3. Immunization protects others you care about. 4. Immunizations can save your family time and money. 5. Immunization protects future generations. If we continue vaccinating now, vaccinating our babies completely, then parents in the future may be able to trust that some diseases of today will no longer be around to harm their children in the